Hey you, yes you, using this smartphone all day and night. This video is a message for you. Watch it till the end and add some value to your life. These days what is really concerning in our society is youth are getting addicted to mobile phones, mainly with social media. People spend hours with their phones doing nothing and wasting their valuable time. At this present time, these social media apps know us better than our best friends. They know everything, literally everything about you. They know what you are scrolling through your phone in the midnight when you are alone, which post you liked, whose messages make you excited, which place you are checking in, everything. Nowadays, we need our phones with us every time. Be it in the morning, before sleeping, during eating, at the office, even in the toilet, we need our phones with us. Most of the time, we are using social media apps in our phones. Truth is that these social media apps subconsciously captured our brain and we are scrolling through these apps endlessly for hours. We are becoming slaves of our phones and we don't use it. We abuse it. As it is very well said, technology is a good servant but a bad master. Let me give you some shocking and fearful facts. Study shows 71% youth feel depressed due to these smartphones. 93% people get anxious if they don't have their mobile phones with them. 87% of us use mobile phones before sleep. And 73% people use mobile phones while eating. What is most terrible is, in average, today's youth spend 5 hours 27 minutes per day with their phones. If this is the average time, just think about the maximum time people spend with their phones. I think you must have heard that you need 10,000 hours of practice to become the best in your profession or master a skill. That is 6 hours a day for 5 years. Now ask yourself, which will help you fulfill your dreams, mastering your skills or using social media? Answer honestly. Let's have some idea about the bad effects of social media. You may have mental health issues. Excessive social media use can not only cause unhappiness and general dissatisfaction in life of users, but also increase the risk of developing mental health issues like anxiety and depression. It's addictive. Social media is as addictive as alcohol and tobacco. These companies have psychologists who study human behavior and specialized engineers who track your every minute details you do in these apps. They make you see things which will excite you to use it more and more time. Comparing our lives with others, which triggers more sadness. Ask yourself, when you post that selfie in your social media app, are you truly happy at that particular moment? Are you happy with your life in that period of time? Are you posting truth of your life or just faking it? Are you posting something you like or are you posting something you thought people will like? These companies are very intelligent. They gave us a platform where we are competing among ourselves to prove who is more social in this virtual world. Inadequacies about your life. Even if you know the image you are viewing on social media are manipulated, but it still make you feel insecure about how you look and what's going on in your life. Fear of missing out. You have made a self-made idea in your mind that I may miss out certain things or certain information which is useful to me, and that is which triggers your anxiety to open these apps very frequently. Cyberbullying. Study shows about 10% of teens are being bullied on social media apps by hate comments, threatening and rumors, which is very concerning. Okay, let's know how to know that you are addicted to social media or not. Negative impact to your job or study. Increased use during other activities such as hanging out with friends or family, or while eating or gossiping. Increase dependence on social media as a way to cope with your problems. Restlessness or irritability when you are not using social media. Thinking about social media even if you are not using it. You turn on your mobile phones frequently just to check your social media apps. Ways to get rid of these addictions. The best thing you can do is delete these apps from your phone permanently. Use apps to track how much time you spend on social media. There are apps available which will lock these apps for that day once you reach the time limit you have set. This will help you limit your social media use. Avoid bringing phone to bed. Turn the device off and leave them in another room. It affects your sleeping time as well as mental peace. Disable social media notification. It is very hard to resist constant buzzing and beeping of your phone. Turn off your notifications can help you focus towards your work more efficiently. Spend time with your friends in offline. Meet your friends once or twice in a week. This will make you more social and you will enjoy more than chatting online. Aware yourself. The most important thing to do to get rid of social media is control your mind and increase awareness. Tell yourself constantly that wasting time in these social media apps will not help me reaching my destination or fulfilling my goals. I have to put all my energy and time in an efficient way in my goals. Final thoughts. We are not living our lives, we are just faking it. We are not using our phones, we are abusing it. We are wasting the most precious time of our lives in something that is contributing nothing to make our life valuable. We have to take control of our life. We have to master our phones and overcome that false excitement triggered in our mind frequently to progress in a path of success. As it is said, for super technology, we need to be super conscious.